Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about how to search research papers by using IEEE Xplore, Elsevier Science Direct, ACM Digital Library and similar type of databases. That what are the parameters that we need to take care of while searching research papers. First of all, I'll go to the IEEE Xplore. That's like one of the most prominent or the most used database for researchers. IEEE Xplore. Just open the first link. So here you can go for the simple search or the advanced search. Right now we'll discuss about the simple search. I'll make another video about the advanced search later on. And let's say I write smart grid. It will show me all the papers related to smart grid. Let's say 40,000 articles. So I cannot read these articles. I need to do a scrutiny of these articles. Let's say I'll select the for a specific year range. Let's say from 2017 to all the articles till 2020. So these are all the parameters that you need to take care of while searching the articles. Similarly, you can go for different type of journals. IEEE Transaction Smart Grid is one of the best journal in the Smart Grid. You can apply this filter as well. So it's taking time. Okay, there are so this will show all the articles of IEEE Transaction Smart Grid. Similarly, you can go for if there's some specific author you want to search over, you can go for author search. You can go for affiliation of the authors. Let's say Department of Energy Technology, Denmark. You can go for publishers. There are at the moment for the smart grid there are like only IEEE. There are also IEET and other publishers as well. So that's all for IEEE Explore. You can cross the tag if you want to. Let's go for Elsevier Science Direct. I'll also open Google Scholar in the meantime and Springer link as well. In Science Direct, the same goes if I'll write Smart Grid. You can select the years from here. You can select the type of article, for example, review article or the survey articles, research articles or the technical article. There are book chapters, there are conference art abstracts, and similar other book reviews. And you can select the type of publication you want to search over, you want to study. Similarly, for Springer, it goes the same way. If I write Smart Grid, here you can see you want to go for the book chapters, articles, conference papers. Let's say I go for the articles. So this will show me all the research technical articles for Springer. It's not necessary to be a survey or technical contribution. If I'll write article, it will show me all journal articles. Same goes for the Google Scholar. So you can choose the year range or the type of scrutiny by relevance or by date. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.